Hello friends, warm greetings from Eglavi Academy. I am happy to inform you that I published the book on Amazon for the NTA NET Paper 1. The title of the book is NTA UGC NET Practice Workbook Paper 1. This book consists of 50 practice papers with uniquely framed questions. This will be very helpful for the NET aspirants for facing the upcoming NET exam very confidently. I request you all to share this information with your contacts. Interested people can read the book freely or buy the book at Amazon. The link for the Amazon is given in the description box. Kindly refer it. Today we are going to see the next 5 important questions from research aptitude. Question 1. How many categories of ethical principles Diner and Grandel refer to? 3. Harm to students, lack of informed consent, invasion of privacy on social media. Option 2. 4. Harm to participants, lack of informed consent, invasion of privacy, involvement of deception. Option 3. 2. Ethical and unethical. Option D. 2. Right and wrong. The right answer is option 2. 4. Harm to participants, lack of informed consent, invasion of privacy, involvement of deception. Question 2. Which of the following act are considered as unethical in research? Option 1. Publishing the same paper in 2 different journals without telling the editors. Option 2. Destroy the research data immediately after the research. Then option 3. Avoid reporting the adverse event in a human research experiment. Option 4. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question 3. What are the criteria of human subjects protection in research? Minimize harms and risk, respect human dignity, respect human privacy, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question 4. Consideration of 3 R's for the care and use of animals for scientific purposes and teaching activities are replacement, reduction and dash. Option 1. Refinement. Option 2. Retirement. Option 3. Rational. Option 4. Rotation. The right answer is option 1. Refinement. Question 5. Which method is most commonly associated with a lack of informed consent? Option 1. Qualitative content analysis. Option 2. In-depth interview. Option 3. Covert observation. Option 4. Structured interview. The right answer is covert observation. What is covert observation? It is often regarded as the ethically dubious method because the principle of informed consent is breached. The people being studied are not aware of the researcher's identity and so do not have the opportunity of refusing to participate. Okay. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Once again, thank you all.